What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. In today's video we'll be discussing the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 laptop, Samsung's latest 2-in-1 device. This high-end, beautifully designed laptop offers a convertible form factor, allowing you to use it in various positions for different purposes. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get all my latest videos. Now, let's dive into the details. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 is a sleek device available in a 16-inch size, packed with a potent Intel Core Ultra processor despite its slim profile. The question is, can Samsung's laptop stand up to the MacBook Air M2 for creators and gamers always on the move? Before diving into the laptop specs, let's clarify the significance of the 360 in its name. The Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop, allowing versatile usage from a traditional laptop setup to a tablet mode for sketching or watching movies. When you purchase this laptop, the box includes a charger, a USB Type-C cable, a booklet, and an included S Pen for precise touch input on the laptop's touchscreen. The S Pen is magnetically attachable to the chassis, enhancing portability and ease of use. A standout feature of the S Pen is its precision, demonstrated through various brushes and colors in the Samsung Notes application. This magnetic attachment provides stability, making it an excellent tool for note-taking and sketching. The S Pen, a surprising inclusion and a welcome old friend, especially for my Samsung users, reminiscent of the prototype S Pen found with the Galaxy Tab series devices. However, unlike those, there's no built-in S Pen with this laptop. Back to the main event, the laptop. Its slender design competes handily with the MacBook Air, perfect for frequent travelers seeking a compact and lightweight solution. The 16-inch laptop weighs just slightly more at 1.5 kilograms. Familiar with Samsung's laptop design? Well, no surprises here. A matte brushed metal chassis, minimalistic styling, and solid construction. The display is surrounded by slim bezels offering color choices of silver or gray. It's a beautiful laptop in the color of the Cosmic family, slightly upgraded from its predecessors. Opening it up, the keyboard returns to a classic black color, and the touchpad is notably larger. The appearance, compared to the older Galaxy Book Flex Alpha, shows a sleeker design with a smaller logo and a slightly larger vertical size. Going back to the keyboard, the keys are well positioned, comfortable, and backlit. The touchpad is responsive and does the job. The keyboard feels solid with a slight flex, featuring chiclet-style keys, including a number keypad. A notable addition is the Copilot AI button for quick access to AI features. As for ports, the setup mirrors the previous generation, featuring Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, a USB Type-A port, USB 3.2, micro SD card slot for additional storage, a 3.5mm jack, and HDMI 2.1. That HDMI port supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K and 5K at 120 Hz. The fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button ensures swift and secure biometric access. Now, onto the display. The 16-inch OLED screen boasts a dynamic AMOLED 2x 120 Hz refresh rate, an HDR compatibility display with a 3K resolution, offering OLED technology and anti-reflective properties, and delivering sharp visuals and vibrant colors. It's highly versatile, with different color profiles, making it ideal for various tasks, indoors or outdoors. These Samsung-specific settings enhance visibility and customization as well. The 16-inch model features a touchscreen with a sharp resolution of 2880 by 1800, a 400 nit brightness, and a 16:10 aspect ratio. Featuring a 360-degree hinge for versatile usage, the screen can be flipped around for tablet mode, and it maintains the same impressive specifications as the non-360 models. Audio-wise, The quad AKG speaker setup delivers impressive sound, clear and loud enough for multimedia consumption. The quad speakers, tuned by AKG with Dolby Atmos support, deliver exceptional audio quality. This laptop seamlessly integrates into the Samsung ecosystem, allowing features like second screen functionality with other Samsung devices and effortless file transfers. The 2-megapixel 1080p FHD webcam above the display captures full HD images suitable for video conferencing. The dual mic arrangement ensures clear voice pickup even at a distance. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 shines in the performance department, featuring an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, and integrated Intel ARC graphics. Benchmark results showcase its power, with impressive scores across various tests. Storage is a standard 1 terabyte, which uses the built-in PCIe 4.0 or up to 2 terabytes using the micro SD slot. Now, regarding battery life, the laptop's 76 watt-hour battery can last around 10 plus hours for basic tasks with medium brightness, from 6 to 7 hours with heavy use, and can stretch to around 8 hours for video streaming. Charging is speedy, reaching 35% in just 30 minutes. Different power modes offer flexibility to optimize battery life as well. For gaming, it handled titles like Resident Evil 3 and Forza well, maintaining a stable frame rate even at higher settings. The laptop also remains cool and quiet during prolonged gaming sessions. When it comes to creative and work-related tasks like video and photo editing, the Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 excels, offering a responsive experience and providing smooth performance even with 4K files. While it's not specifically a gaming laptop, it proves capable, more than capable actually, for occasional gaming. So, how much does this powerhouse cost? Well, moving on to pricing and colors, the Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 comes in a single configuration priced at $1,899. As stated before, it boasts Windows 11 and an Intel Core Ultra i7 processor. The sleek moonstone gray color adds a professional touch. So, can the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 stand up to the MacBook Air M3 for creators and gamers, always on the move? The answer is absolutely. The Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 blows the MacBook Air out of the water. It stands out as a versatile and powerful laptop suitable for a wide range of users. Its premium design, convertible form factor, impressive display, and seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem make it an excellent choice for professionals, students, and creatives alike. The Galaxy Book 4 Pro series offers a range of options catering to different preferences, with powerful configurations, high-quality displays, and thoughtful design elements. However, you heavy-duty, hardcore gaming enthusiasts may need to explore dedicated gaming laptops, much like the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16, which I reviewed previously. If you want to see that video, go ahead and click the link at the top of the screen. But what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If I provided value and you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for our in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time. Peace.